This course will explain VMware NSX in a simple, clear, and easy to understand way. Now, whether you're an absolute beginner to networking or an experienced pro, this is the class for you. My name is Rick Creasy, and I've been a VMware certified instructor for years. I've delivered NSX training to hundreds of students directly for VMware. And I created this class as a solution for those who need to understand the concepts of NSX and virtual networking. Now, if you're new to networking, you'll love the introductory lessons. These teach you key concepts about topics like IP addresses, ARP requests, switches, routers, and much more. If you're an experienced pro, you'll learn deep technical details about how NSX does switching and routing. You'll see how NSX works with the physical network and how the firewall and security services of NSX can be leveraged. You'll also strengthen all the skills required to complete the VCP 6.2 certification. You may be worried that this course will be too complicated or that you won't understand the material. I can promise that this won't be the case. This course is designed to have each lesson build on the concepts of the previous lesson. And by the end of this class, you'll be proficient on all the basic concepts of NSX and vSphere virtual networking.